Hello, kids. So it seems, am I audible? Nikita, Soham?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. It seems other kids are not joined yet. They are in the festive season, New Year celebration or what. Abhir is joining. Let's wait for a couple of minutes for them. Meanwhile, I will share my screen.
Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year, Soham.
Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year, Nikita. Okay, kids. So last time we had the tournament, right? So let us see some games.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, Abhir. Hi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are we doing analyzation?
Yes. So we are waiting for other kids to join, but meanwhile, let us start with one of the game between Soham and Jyotiraditya, Soham Wagh. So this was the game played between Soham and Jyotiraditya. Let us do the analysis of the game by the time other kids join. Okay. So Soham, you was white, right? Soham was white and Jyotiraditya was black in this game. Okay. So Soham started with B3. Okay. Yeah. Soham started with B3. Jyotiraditya responded with G5.
Good morning, teacher.
Hey, then hi.
Good morning, sir. Sir, what we are doing?
We are doing the analysis of the games which you guys played in the last tournament. So this is the game between Soham Wagh and Jyotiraditya. Okay. So Soham started with B3. Jyotiraditya responded with G4. The next move which was played was Bishop to A3. So question to you, Soham. What is the purpose of playing this move? Can you tell?
Sir, I mistakenly play that.
So where did you wanted to play? B2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, because that is the right move actually. At least when you bring the bishop here, your intention to attack on the rook is clear, right? We do understand that, yes, there is some purpose behind it. Okay. So kids, learning number 1 from this game. Okay. Do not make any move without any purpose. For example, this, there is no purpose for this move if you look at. Okay. But instead, if you play here, you can see that there is some purpose behind it. You are attacking on the rook here. Okay. Now, if this is the move, what will you play from black side, kids?
Sir, there is only one way to defend the rook. Bishop to G7.
Are you sure, Abhir? If you play bishop to G7, what will happen?
Yes, and also there is one more way.
No,
Knight to
this
f6.
this is not the way. This is a mistake. If you play this, it will
Yes.
be a big blunder because you are inviting him to capture the bishop first, followed by the rook. Okay.
Yes.
So this is not the
There is
move.
one
no
more.
place
Knight
to
to
put.
f6.
Yeah, knight to f6 can be one of the move, or you can play the pawn as well. But pushing
Yes.
the pawn is not recommended as per the opening principles. We are aware of it, right? Because what will
Yes.
happen if you play this? Okay, let's see. If you play this, what your opponent may try. Suppose he played this, you played this, for example, and now any move from white side, kids. This is a check and mate. Fool's mate.
Sir, queen into h5.
What, h5? Yeah, queen into
Queen
h5 is a checkmate. Correct. Okay, how can you defend from black side now? There is no way to defend, right? Anyways, coming back to the game, kids. Okay, what actually happened in the game? Let us see. Okay, bishop was played here instead of this. Okay. Anyways, I shown you actually if you play this, what all things can happen. Okay, so let's see what black played. Black played this. This is good move. Black is attacking on the rook. And now see how white defended. White made a mistake here. Okay. Obviously, black will capture. Black did that. Right, kids? Then again, another mistake. You had the opportunity to capture this. Why have you not captured? So, okay, another thing. You are inviting. Okay. Let's see actually what is the plan. Attack on the queen. Okay. Attack on the queen. Okay. This is repetition. Why did you play this actually? The bishop will come out, right? Obviously, bishop got saved. Attack. Attack. These are the mistakes actually you are doing, kids. Okay. So you should avoid making such mistakes. Now here actually, when you played this pawn, this was a good move. At least what you are doing, even if you are not able to capture this, you are blocking this bishop here. Okay, so that it will not come into the game. Okay, but then when you push this, you gave the opportunity for bishop to attack on the rook. Later on, you moved the rook here. So it came here and all. So we saw that. But anyways, so rook was gone. Pawn was gone. This is again a big mistake. You are just keeping in front of the bishop. The bishop you are keeping directly in front of the queen. Queen is going to capture it, obviously, and it did. Okay. This is another mistake. Okay. Now for black, I will suggest, because you already have a lot of material, you gained the material, right? So there was opportunity for you to exchange. You should have done that, black. Okay, Jyotiraditya. But you have not done that. Let us see what is the next plan. Mistake. This is a big mistake, right? You kept the queen in front of the pawn. And that is the reason when I said here, kids, you had the opportunity, you should have exchanged actually, right? And now if you look, there is only one bishop and one knight as against the two rooks, two knights, one bishop, right? So you had good opportunity if you exchange, but unfortunately you did not do that, and later on your queen was gone. Okay. Now white has opportunity to win the game. Okay. So let us see how white converts. Now kids, see, can you see white has opportunity to capture? If the black captures, you can capture back, right? But white is still not taking that. Now white took this. What is this? This is not acceptable, guys. These are very simple things. Why are you making such mistakes? You are directly keeping in front of it. You are getting it free, right? So instead of capture it and let him capture, no? Correct? Right? That is the better way, but you gave it free now. Again, attack on your queen. Queen gone. How can you make these mistakes, kids? You should ask the question to yourself, why my opponent played this? And immediately you will understand, right? When he played the knight here, obviously he has some target, right? So you saved the pawn. You did not bother to save the queen. Okay, anyways, so mistakes from both sides. Let us see what happened in the game. Okay. Okay. The queen was promoted from black side. Now, what is the need of playing this actually? There is a checkmate directly, kids. Can you see? This is a check and mate. You have the support. This is blocked, correct? But anyways, let's see what happened in the game. What was happened actually? Was that time up, Soham?
Sir, he left the game.
Acha. He left the game in between, right? But anyways, I shown you right here. So black had the opportunity to win the game actually. This was the checkmate, kids, okay? Is this understood by everyone, kids? This was a checkmate. Okay? So good game, guys. But Soham, next time when you play, make sure you are not repeating the mistakes, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Let me take between, who is there? Soham Borse, you was not participant in the last tournament, right? So let me take Abhir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Between Abhir and Nishka. Okay. Nishka is also not there today. But anyways, let us see the game. Yeah. So Abhir is black. Nishka is white. Okay. Nishka played E4. Abhir played E5. Both players doing good opening. Okay. Knight to F3. Knight to F6. Knight to C3. Knight to C6 was expected. But anyways, this is also not bad move as such. But generally, when this is played, knight to c6 is played, Abhir. Okay, to provide the support to this pawn. Okay.
Yes, sir, but
You provided the
sir,
support
the
from here.
purpose that I didn't play knight to c6 is that um, I have heard that the four knights um, when they come opposite to each other, then
Mhm.
it's very danger.
Danger for
That's
whom?
why,
It's danger for whom?
for both sides.
Yeah. So why do you need to worry for yourself, right? When you play this, actually what you are doing, you are supporting your pawn, right? When he brought
Yes, sir.
knight here, he is supporting his pawn, right?
Yes,
His
sir.
knight attacking here, so we are attacking here. So it is kind of equal position, okay? So
Yes.
you don't need to worry for what is danger in it and all, okay? Unless and until we do not think further, okay? So at least now once you bring this, the next one will be for you is to bring this one, so that when he captures, you can capture back, okay? And even from your queen's side, you have the support, okay?
Yes.
But anyways,
Yes,
let
sir.
us see what happened in the game. Now, because of these two things happened, Abir. One is to support this pawn, you will always have to keep the pawn here. Okay. Now, because the pawn is here, it is blocking the way of your bishop. Correct? You will not be
Yes.
able to develop the bishop. So is the case
Yes, sir.
that your queen will also get blocked here unless and until you take this out and then do the castling. Okay, but then bishop will always be blocked, right? Anyways, let us
Yes,
see what
sir.
happened next. Yeah. So bishop came here to attack. The pawn comes out. Okay. Another pawn comes up. Bishop, as I expected, the bishop has no choice but to come here only. For castling, it is required. Castling was done. Good. Castling was done. So far, so good from both parties. Okay. Now comes the black bishop here. Attacked from this side. Generally, whenever you attack, this is not recommended to move. You just castle the king, right? And then you are opening this for attack, right? This diagonal is getting opened, which is not good. So if at all you want to make this run away from here, you can bring this pawn here actually. Okay. Instead of this pawn, white should have played this pawn. Okay. But anyways, let's see. This was played. Black made a mistake. Isn't it a mistake, kids? Or is there a plan? This is going free of cost. Right?
Sir, still there is a fork which the knight is making.
Yeah. So let's see. Captured. As expected, it got captured free. Okay. Abir, was there any plan or it was by mistake?
Yes, sir. It was by mistake.
Okay. So try to avoid such mistakes. Okay.
Yes.
Went. Now captured. Black captured. Okay. Actually, white should have captured. I mean, that
Yes.
was.
The bishops were getting exchanged.
Yes. You should have captured it actually here.
Yes. But then there would be 2 attacks on the pawn and only 1 defender.
Yeah, that's fine. It's exchange, right? You're not giving free. You're first capturing the pawn and then it will capture back, right?
Yes.
But anyways, so you played this. And why am I saying to capture? Because even if you do not, white is going to capture it, right?
Yes, sir. But then I will capture his bishop.
Ah, right. Okay. Now, what white did this? What is the purpose? Giving it free. Oh, there is a discovered attack actually. Okay. There is a discovered attack.
Okay.
But then
That's why it was not allowing me. I was
Yeah.
wondering that why it's not allowing me to
To capture.
capture the knight.
yeah, because there was a discovered attack.
Yes. It was a double check.
Correct. But generally then what I will recommend kids pay attention here, okay?
There is
Both,
only one.
both Soham, Karan, Nikita, Abhir. Okay. Whenever there is a discovered attack, kids, okay, pay attention, kids. This is very good opportunity for you, okay? But whenever there is a discovered attack, try to get benefited out of it. Now tell me one thing. When white captured this, what is the benefit white is going to get?
That his knight is not going to be captured as it is a double check.
Yeah, but then only pawn you captured, right? Now, instead of this, let's see first what happened actually next. After this, white just run away, right? White did not get any benefit. You saw this, kids, right? Now, let's
Yes.
see. Let's do one thing. Let's come back and let me show now. Instead of playing this, okay, if you play here, the same thing, okay? Here also you captured the pawn. Here also I captured the pawn, right?
Yes, sir. And my rook was gone.
Yeah, now there is a discovered attack. Because of the discovered attack, you will not be able to play anything else but to move the king. Now, suppose you move the
Yes.
king, I will get the rook. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Here you just ran away. All right. So this is the
Yes,
different.
sir.
This is a different move I wanted you to think about. Okay. Now, fortunately, the queen was here. Otherwise, if suppose if the queen could have been here, then it was another great opportunity for you.
Yes, sir. And it was a knight fork.
Correct. Okay. So just think about these things, kids. Okay. Whenever there is a discovered attack, and in fact, you should try to find such kind of opportunities of discovered attack. Discovered attack is one of the turning point of the game, because it gives you the clear advantage in the game. It gives you the clear advantage. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Nishka played here well, but then she should have played here. I'm sorry.
That was a good option.
Yes. So anyways, Nishka is not there today, but let's see. Okay, so she played here. Now you captured, white captured, you captured back. Okay, the queen comes, bishop comes. Now actually again here, okay, simply pushing this, okay, there was another discovered attack. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but then white has not pushed. White played the knight back. Queen comes, pawn pushed. Knight comes, pawn pushed. Now, because of this, what white did actually, white blocked its own way. Now, because of these two pawns, white will never be able to attack here.
Yes, sir. Until the white captures the d6 pawn.
Yeah, but I mean, even if now it gets opened, okay, because of the queen and the other rook, you will not be able to capture it now. But instead
Yes,
of that,
sir.
if you just go few moves back, okay, now after playing this, instead of playing the knight, she played knight, right? So instead of knight, if you push this, what will happen? Generally, black will think that, oh, he's attacking on my pawn. So generally, players make this mistake. They capture the pawn
Yes,
and
sir.
forgets that there is a rook gone.
Yes, sir. Instead of that, the players should play knight to c6 in that position.
Correct. Either knight to c6, or you can attack on the queen as well, right? With bishop.
Yes, that's
You have
also
the
good
support.
option.
Yeah, you have the support,
Yes.
right? But then
Yes.
this is where actually the small moves, kids, okay? This is not a great move as such, okay? But then instead of playing this, if you just play this, there is opportunity. I'm not saying that you will get 100%. If the black counter plays, you may not get that, okay? But then at least
Yes.
you are trying. And when you constantly attacking like this, okay, when you keep constantly attacking like this, your opponent is always under pressure. He or she always keeps thinking, oh, what is the next move? What Nishka is going to do the next attack, right? And Abhir
Yes.
will always be on the defending mode, right? So that should not happen. So anyways, let's come back to the original game. This was played, okay? Now the knight attacks, okay? Knight comes back, captured. Now again, was there no other way to save the knight?
No, sir, my knight is trapped.
So in that case, at least you should try capturing something like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kids, you must be knowing about the soldiers, okay? जब अपने बंदे आर्मी में जाते हैं, soldiers when they go in the army, okay? तो उनको एक
Yes.
शिक्षा दी जाती है कि अगर आपको पता चल जाए कि next moment you are going to be dead, okay? Still at least what you should try.
तो कुछ मार के मरो.
हाँ, अगर आपको मरना ही है तो कुछ शत्रु का नुकसान करके मरो, ओके, ताकि अपने देश को फायदा हो. वैसे ही से ऑन सिमिलर लाइंस आपका भी एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए कि आपने आपके प्लेयर्स को, आपके जो सब सैनिक है, इनको आपको बता के रखना है कि भैया मरना ही है ना, तो कुछ मार के मरो यार, ऐसे क्यों फुकट में मर रहे हो, राइट? तो क्या करेगा फिर वो नाइट नेक्स्ट टाइम वापस नहीं आएगा, वो बोलेगा सर मरना ही है ना, चलो इस मार के मरते हैं, right? So have that kind of attitude built within you kids, okay? So this is done, captured. Now you should have captured back, right? अगर वो करता है तो फिर से तुमको अपॉर्चुनिटी था लेने का, right? So let's see the next one. Attack comes. अभी ये फ्री में आ गया एक्चुअली. रुक, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Gone. Knight comes. ये फ्री में दे दिया. ये भी pawn फ्री में दे रहा है अभी. अच्छा, okay. This was also good.
Sir, my idea was to capture that pawn, so there was a risk of being promotion.
No, but your rook is sitting, so you don't need to worry, right?
Yes.
Captured. Kids, here one more thing, okay? Abir, particularly you. Now, because you had the opportunity, okay? You played you played here, right? What was the purpose for playing this move, Abir?
That and it will support the b6 pawn, and then I could develop the pawn.
You already have two supports. Why do you need support from the rook?
Because the queen is occupying the b5 square, so I was not able to move my pawn.
Yeah, so okay, you wanted further development for the pawn,
Yes,
but then you also had the support from your queen as well, right?
yes,
It was not required. Now, instead of this, I would have recommended you to bring the rook here so that you directly get the double support, and in the next move, you will start giving check from here.
yes, sir.
Okay, so whenever you get opportunity, kids, okay, try to make the double things like double rook or queen plus rook, okay, so that it gets more stronger than its original value. Okay.
Yes.
Anyways, let's continue. This was played, captured. Now see, anyways, you have to run away because of this attack, right? Captured, captured, captured and check. This is big mistake. Your queen is gone.
Yes, sir.
Check. This is mistake from white now. Queen is gone.
Yes, sir.
Both of you made the mistakes actually.
Yes.
Now still here I can see that white has opportunity to win. Okay, because there is one rook here. Okay,
Yes.
let's see what happened in the game. Now you are not how can you kids make such mistakes? ये तो ऐसा हो गया कि जीती बाजी हार गए हम, किस्मत ही कुछ ऐसी थी, है ना? ऑलमोस्ट जीता हुआ गेम था, राइट? So how can Nishka make such mistakes? Now nobody can stop you actually. Now बाजी पलट गई. अभी black is better. White is going to lose the match for sure. Let's see what happened in the game. He's just running away actually. No use. अभी तो रुक भी चला गया. यहाँ पे अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रहा है ना तो ले लो रुक अबीर.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
क्योंकि क्या है आपके पास कौन है, राइट? तो आप
Yes.
प्रमोट करने वाले
Sir,
हो.
yes, sir. That time we were battling against time.
हाँ, राइट. ओके.
That's why it was time pressure.
ओके.
I was moving the rook to some another square like a3, but by mistakenly it was clicked over there.
और ये क्या गेम खेल रहे हो यार तुम लोग? अभी ये रुक भी चला गया, देखो व्हाइट का. कैन यू सी?
Yes, sir.
शिट.
Sir, and then eventually Nishka resigned.
Now she doesn't have any option, right? This is going to
Yes,
be
because she has lonely king which can't do anything.
Now, but kids, tell me one thing now. I honestly speaking, white was clearly winning the game. Okay.
Yes.
Later on, black got the opportunity to win, but then again black gave कि नहीं नहीं भैया मुझको नहीं जीतना है, आप जीतो. And then again black ने बोला कि white ने बोला नहीं नहीं तुम्हारा रुक दे दिया, मैं भी दे देती हूँ. And then so anyways, altogether good game, but both side made the mistakes which I do
Yes,
not
sir.
expect, at least from you guys now. Okay, you guys now
Yes,
are at the level where you can understand the different type of attacks. Okay, you can ask the questions to yourself. Can I capture something, right? Is why my opponent made this move? Is there opportunity for me to capture something, right? So if you
Yes,
just
sir.
ask these 3-4 questions, I can assure you that your game will be much better than what you are currently achieving. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, good game. Thank you for the good game, Abhir and Nishka. Let me find the one from Karan. Karan was also part of the tournament, right? तो करण का एक गेम लेते हैं जो उसने ज्योतिरादित्य के साथ खेला था. Okay, Karan, Jyotiraditya was white, Karan was black. Okay, so let us see. White played this, black played the knight, white played bishop, black played the knight. नाइट कभी भी खेलते हैं ना बेटा करण, तो आप यहाँ पे शुरू में नहीं लेके आ सकते हो, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि इमीडिएटली कोई पॉन निकलेगा और अपने ऊपर अटैक आएगा, राइट? जैसे कि अभी हुआ है, राइट? एंड व्हेनेवर द अटैक कम्स यू नीड टू कम बैक, करेक्ट? तो इसमें क्या हो गया, आपका एक्चुअली वेस्टेज ऑफ मूव हुआ, आपके 2 मूव्स अननेसेसरी वेस्ट हो गए. आप पहले यहीं थे, राइट? फिर से यहीं पे आ गए, काइंड ऑफ, राइट? इट इज अ जस्ट वेस्टेज ऑफ द मूव. एंड जब आप इसको यहाँ पे लाते हो तो इसको ब्लॉक कर दिया. नाउ जब तक ये पॉन निकलेगा नहीं, ना आपकी क्वीन निकल पाएगी ना बिशप निकल पाएगा, राइट? तो ये ऐसा हो गया कि खुद के हाथों से खुद के पैरों पे कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हो आप, राइट? Making ourselves injured, kind of. So it is just like that. So never ever play the knight to here unless and until you have some purpose behind it. Okay, आपका क्या पर्पस था? अकेले जाके मारना था क्या क्वीन को? पॉसिबल तो नहीं है, उसके पहले ही अपना नाइट मर जाएगा, राइट? सो डोंट मेक सच मूव्स. एनीवेज, दिस वाज प्लेड. अभी पॉन आगे आया, क्वीन कम्स आउट. ओके, व्हाइट ने क्वीन निकाला, ब्लैक बोला मैं क्यों पीछे रहूं, उसने भी निकाल लिया. लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. वैसे दोनों ने गलती की है, because our opening principles suggest not to take the queen out. Okay, so next pawn comes out.
Sir, it's not the rule to not take the queen out, but not to take the queen out early.
Yeah, so I'm not saying rule. Okay, it's a opening principle. Principles are nothing but suggestions. आपको लेना है तो लो, नहीं तो मत लो, काइंड ऑफ है. ओके, सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दिस इज इलीगल. इट्स नॉट इलीगल. ओके, बट दिस इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड, क्योंकि आपका क्वीन अगर बाहर आता है तो फिर अटैक चालू हो जाता है. जैसे कि आई कैन सी इन द नेक्स्ट मूव द पॉन कैन कम एंड स्टार्ट अटैकिंग, राइट? सो आपको भागना पड़ेगा इधर उधर. जैसे देखो बोला था वैसे ही हुआ, पॉन आगे आया, अभी आपको भागना पड़ेगा. आप इधर आ गए, क्वीन आ गई, मार दिया, खत्म. दोनों ने सुसाइड कर लिया. तुम मुझे मारो, मैं तुमको मारता हूँ. ओके,
Sir,
yes,
sir,
Abhi?
it was a good exchange from black side because now white can't castle.
Yes, good exchange from black side. White cannot castle. That is the good one. And another thing, now you have the opportunity to capture the pawn, attack here, give the check, capture the rook. But let us see what black did. Okay, करण को बहुत अच्छा मौका है या था, लेकिन देखते हैं अभी करण ने क्या किया होगा एक्चुअल गेम में. सो करण ने मौका गवा दिया, करण ने इसको मारा ही नहीं. ओके, आगे देखते हैं क्या इसने बचाया. इसने भी मौका छोड़ा दिया. अभी उसको चांस था कि आप वो पॉन आगे लेके उसको सपोर्ट करे या फिर ये पॉन लेके सपोर्ट करे, लेकिन उसने ये पॉन आगे कर दिया और फ्री में दे दिया, मार दो बोला. लेट्स सी, कैप्चर्ड, नाइट आ गया आगे, सपोर्ट आ गया, नाइट भाग गया, अभी इसने कैप्चर किया, अब अटैक, और ये अब क्या फायदा है बताओ, व्हाइट की तरफ से मौका था व्हाइट को बचाने का, राइट, लेकिन व्हाइट डिड दिस, सो करण फाइनली देर आए दुरुस्त आए, ओके, यू गॉट दिस ट्रैप, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज नाइट फोक, हमने सीखा है बच्चों, राइट, वी लर्न अबाउट द नाइट फोक, एंड करण आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू अप्लाइड इट इन योर गेम, ओके, आपको ये समझ में आया कि अरे चलो इसको मारते हैं तो चेक बैठेगा और रुक जाएगा, राइट, समझ में आया था ना, वेरी गुड, this is called as night folk, we already learned and we already solved many puzzles related to this, okay, capture,
मैंने सोचा कि हमको नहीं करना चाहिए, तो फिर मैंने बाद में देखा तो हमको तो करना चाहिए, बाद में
हाँ,
वो तो फोन कर लेगा।
very good beta, very good, okay, it got captured, that's fine, ये गलती हो गई करण, ये फ्री में दे दिया तुमने, है ना, ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए बेटा, कहीं पे बिशप का एक एडवांटेज होता है बच्चों, तो हमेशा देखो वो बैठा कोने में होता है लेकिन दूर तक नजर होती है उसकी, है ना, जैसे वो शार्प शूटर होते हैं, देखो बिल्डिंग में कहीं पे छुपे होते हैं एक्चुअली, एकदम ऐसे निशाने पे रखते हैं, और जैसे ही दरवाजा खुल जाता है या जैसे ही उसका टारगेट सामने आ जाता है ढिशक्यां, उड़ा देता है वो, राइट, वैसे इसका है बिशप का, ओके, तो बिशप को जैसे ही दिखा नाइट आ गया, उसने नाइट को शूट कर दिया, ओके, पॉन आगे आ गया, चलो भागो, भागते हैं अभी पीछे, ये गलती करते हैं बच्चों आप लोग, यहाँ पे जो है ना, जैसे अभी उसने ये लाया तो आपको चुपचाप पीछे फिर से निकल जाना था, आप क्या करते हो ना, जैसे अभी आया तो फिर से आएगा, फिर आप पीछे आओगे, ये फिर से होगा, इसमें क्या हो गया, सामने वाले के पॉन्स डेवलप हो रहे हैं और आपका कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, आप जस्ट भाग रहे हो इधर उधर, राइट, इन शॉर्ट आप खुद ही सामने वाले को मौका देते हो कि भैया आप प्रोग्रेस करो, मैं तो बैठा हूं उधर ही के उधर, डोंट डू दैट, ओके किड्स, डू नॉट गिव अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर योर ओपोनेंट टू डेवलप हिज और हर पीसेस, ओके, क्योंकि जैसे उसके पॉन्स आगे आगे आएंगे तो आपको बाद में टेंशन होगा ना, क्योंकि वो तो पॉन प्रमोशन की तरफ जा रहे हैं और आप तो सिर्फ भाग रहे हो इधर उधर, राइट, सो इट्स नॉट रिकमेंडेड, दिस इज नॉट एट ऑल रिकमेंडेड, ओके, चेक एक्सचेंज, ये कुछ फायदा नहीं, आपको भाग जाना था यहाँ से, एक्चुअली सिंपली भाग जाना है जरूरी था, क्योंकि अभी आपने दिया तो ये तो वैसे भी फ्री में जाने वाला है, आपने अगर मार भी दिया तो वो मारने वाला है, राइट, ठीक है, एक्सचेंज हो गया, आ गया है, मारा, नेक्स्ट, ये सपोर्ट निकाल लिया तुमने, एक्चुअली इसका जो सपोर्ट था निकाल दिया, अभी ये मर जाएगा, अटैक, ये फ्री में नहीं, सपोर्ट है, ओके, गुड वन,
Excuse me, sir.
यस निकिता,
Sir, there is less time for the meeting.
Join back, join back.
Join.
join back for a few minutes, kids, okay? We will finish this game,
Okay, sir.
yeah, okay, now after this the rook gone, okay, ये यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो गया ब्लैक का, ब्लैक को समझ में ही नहीं आया कि अरे इसने शिफ्ट क्यों किया, in this case as well, kids, okay, if you ask the question to yourself why my opponent made this move, okay,
मुझे लगा वो प्रोटेक्टेड था।
हाँ, प्रोटेक्टेड कैसे रहेगा बेटा, आपके पास तो पीसी नहीं है अभी, राइट,
नहीं, बट मुझे लगा पीछे मेरे पास वो प्रोटेक्टेड है।
value than the bishop.
राइट,
So no matter that it has a support or not.